We are going to record cap challenge with Jackie. Jackie, you have to open the cap. Come on. Oh. Challenge has been flopped. This is our cap challenge by Jackie. Jackie, you have to open the cap. Jackie, come on. Come on. Jackie, you have to open the cap. Jackie, come on. Come on. Jackie, you have to open the cap. Come on. Jackie. Jackie baby, come on. Open the cap. Open the cap. Jackie, come on. Open the cap. So this is our cap challenge. Good girl. Jackie's a good girl. This is a real cap challenge. This is the original way to open the cap. Good girl, Jackie. Good. Good girl.